Tiny Reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing Taiyaki, Japanese fish-shaped waffle cake with sweet vanilla custard cream. Bring the famous Japanese dessert to your table. Right, I'm on the table right now. Crispy waffle cake and vanilla custard cream that's in the inside, and that's the actual size. Because it does say actual size, so about as long as my, let's say my brother finger, a 9-year-old brother finger. I'm small for my age, so about an 8-year-old, 7-year-old brother finger. The price is $10.59. There you can use the air fryer, the oven, or microwave. We're gonna be doing the oven. These two are the preferred methods. So I'm gonna read this long label. So let's open it up. I'm very excited to eat it. We just bought it yesterday. Oh, they're so cute. They're super cute. There's 30 of them inside. That vanilla custard cream smell. Don't they look delicious? We're just kind of, you guys probably can't see the overlapped one. They're all very small. Like I said, they're about the length of my brother finger. So these are the little taiyakis in my conventional oven. Okay, so these are my two. So one I'm just gonna eat it just so I can just tell you the taste. The other one I'm just gonna be cutting in half. And I'm gonna be eating that too. So I'm gonna first cut it in half because I'm curious what's inside. Careful not to cut its neck or else it'll die. Well, it's not even real anyway, so whatever. Ooh, custard cream. See? Squish. So I don't know what it tastes like, so I'm gonna taste smaller half, the one of its head. That's the tail. It's full of squishy cream. Squishing it out. Very jelly-like when I touch it. It doesn't really stick to me, see? I touch it, it's kind of like a slimish something. I love it. I love it very much. The custard cream, I've tasted other like pastries with custard inside, but most of them only like have a one in the middle. But this one's like literally filled with it. Not even a little thickness of pastry. This one's like literally filled with it. Very good. It's very soft, chewy, and soft. I said soft twice. My mom will love it. My mom loves things shaped of a fish. I'm not sure if she really likes the custard that much, but she does eat custard-filled pastries. I love it. I mean, I want to eat it every day, every single day, lunch, breakfast, and dinner. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.